Today I'm going to be showing you how to make white chocolate chip cookies. Let's go to the kitchen and see what ingredients we need. Here we are in the kitchen and we will need the following ingredients. 2.5 cupfuls of white flour, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 cups of white chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 cup of butter, 3/4 of brown sugar. Okay, 3/4 of white sugar. You know the ingredients. Let's get baking. The first thing we will do is put the baking soda into the baking soda and the salt into the flour. And mix them all up. Whoa. Now get your white sugar, brown sugar, butter and eggs. So first I'm going to get mine. Okay. Whoa, that was... Pull up together. Whoa, look at it. Smells so nice. Once you mix it, add your flour. And mix it all up as well. Oh. 1 tablespoon of vanilla and all your chocolate chips. And mix them all up with my hands all up. Look at it, it's all squishy. They're all squashed. After you're done your cookie balls, put them on the tray. About this big. No. If you don't have any bacon paper, just put on some butter. Put it on the tray so they don't stick. After you've done your ball cookies, put them in the oven for 700 degrees.
Hold up.
175 degrees. They should take about 12 to 15 minutes. Remember to ask an adult to put them in the oven. Daddy, can you put them in the oven? So as you can see, Daddy's took them out of the oven and there they are. They're not a perfect circle. Some of them are squares, but they're they're still a perfect shape. They taste lovely. As I will say, if you put them in a bowl, don't make them too big and fat. Because when they get hot, they'll flood the whole tray. But they taste delicious. Mmm! So there you go, guys. That's how you make chocolate chip cookies. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.